There's more than 100 people searching for a woman swept away by floodwaters.
So the search is taking place near Peppertown in Franklin County. This is in the eastern part of the state. 63-year-old Carol Jackson of Clarksburg was reported missing yesterday afternoon. It's believed her car was swept away as it went over a concrete slab bridge over Pipe Creek. The search for Jackson started yesterday afternoon and continued until dusk. It continued this morning and is expected to continue until the sun goes down. News 8's Julian Grace is on his way to the scene right now. We will bring you updates both on air and online. WishTV.com as we learn new information from authorities.